Jin-soo has worked at his new job for 2 weeks. He learned a lot. Now Jin-soo has to fill out a timesheet so he can be paid. A timesheet is a record of how many hours an employee has worked. Then, Jin-soo's employer will know how much to pay him. Lewis, from Human Resources, gives Jin-soo his timesheet.
Please fill this out and sign at the bottom. Let me know if you need help.
Jin-soo is feeling confident. He has used reading strategies, like skimming and scanning, to understand information at work. Jin-soo skims the document. He sees there is a box to put his first and last name and his employee number in. He knows his employee number is on his ID tag, so he copies it into that form. Jin-soo looks at the different sections of the timesheet. The first section is easy to complete, but he is not sure what pay period means. He circles this box and will ask for help later. The second section is a table. For every day at work, Jin-soo needs to enter his start and end time. The third section is also a table, but Jin-soo doesn't understand what to do. He notices the heading in gray says, Human Resources Use Only.
This part must be for Lewis to do. He works in human resources. I will ask him to be sure.
The last part is the signatures. Jin-soo knows that he is the employee. He signs and dates the document.
Excuse me, Lewis. Can I ask you a few questions about the timesheet? What is the pay period? And how do I complete this third section?
We pass in timesheets and get paid every 2 weeks. A pay period is the 2 weeks when you are earning money. The pay period for this timesheet is April 3rd to April 16th. You will get paid 2 weeks after you pass in each timesheet. So you will get paid for this pay period on May 1st.
Jin-soo thinks about the hours during this pay period. He was in training on Monday and Tuesday of last week. This week, he worked on his own every day from 8:30 to 4:30. He writes in the start and end times on the form for each day he worked.
Thank you, Jin-soo. You will do another one in 2 weeks.
In the Canadian workplace, being on time is very important. If a worker is often late, the employer will not think they are a hard worker. Arrive on time, dress to start your shift, and ready to work. Take breaks on time, and return to work on time. You can use the same strategies on lots of work forms. Scan documents, complete what you can, and then ask for help with the rest. Take care to fill out work documents carefully, completely, and correctly.